Hi viewers, welcome to my new video. That will be for Epson printer installation. The model number of the printer is Epson L1110. In this video, I will show you the two installation method. You can choose the one to install the printer or which one will work for you. So without wasting any time, let's start the installation process. To set up this printer on your computer, the L1110 printer on your computer, you need its installation installation driver. So first of all, you need to download the driver from the internet. There are two types of driver. One is for full feature driver, which will be installed automatically, and the second method is using its basic driver. Install the printer using its basic driver. So I will show you the both of the methods. So please start the installation process with the full feature driver first. See, this is the full feature driver. Download the driver from the internet. If you find it, that would be great. If you don't find it, you can get the download link in our video description, so you can download it from there as well. So after download, just double click on that. Make sure your printer should not be connected with your computer and it should be turned off. Click on OK. Click on OK. Select the agree option and then click on OK again. Now on this step, turn on the printer and connect the printer's USB cable to your computer through USB cable. Please connect it. Once you connect it, it will be automatically detected and install it. If it doesn't detect automatically, then you can choose the manual option as well. Once you click on manual, it will show you the port, selecting the port. So select the port USB 001 if you want to install manually. Select the port 001 and click on OK. See, printer driver installation and port configuration were completed successfully. It means your printer is installed successfully. So you don't need to do anything. Just click on OK and your printer has been installed. Now we talk about the second method that we have talked, that manual installation method, which is from the basic driver. So the same thing, give it a side, and here is the basic driver. Now we install the printer using its basic driver. If you have the basic driver, that would be great. If you don't have it, you can download same in the video description. Both of the link has been mentioned in the video description. And after download the driver, just right click on it and choose that option, extract to this folder. Click on that. Here you go. So double click on it and there are two options, 32-bit drivers and 64-bit drivers. Once you click on any one, so you will get the basic drivers. So for now, close the window. Okay, we will start the installation process. Just click on start button and click on settings, then go to devices, then go to printers and scanners. Click on add a printer or scanner option, the plus icon. Then click on the printer that I want is not listed. Click on that. After that, choose the last option, add a local printer or network printer with manual settings. Click on that and then click on next. After that, you will have to select the port where your printer is connected right now. So please connect the printer to your computer through the USB cable and make sure the printer is turned on. You can connect the printer before starting the installation process, the manual installation process I am talking about, not the full feature one. In the full feature installation process, you will have to connect the printer once it will ask, and in the basic installation method, you will have to select the connect the printer before starting the installation process, so that it will be showing here. So select the port USB 001, or it may be vary that your printer is connected on another port, then it would be 002 or 003. So simply select the port where your printer is connected. Just click on next. After selecting the port, here you need to select that driver file. Okay, so simply click on have disk and then click on browse. Go to the location where we have extracted the file, the basic driver file. Go to the desktop and this one, basic driver file. My computer is 64-bit, so I am going to 64-bit one. And here you just need to select this one file, this one, and then click on OK. Click on OK. Then click on the driver file, the main driver file, and then click on next. After that, if you get this option, then you can choose replace the current driver and then click on next. You can change the printer name here, which you want to select. Just click on next and click on next again. Click on finish. You can see the printer is installed successfully with the manual settings. So that's it. Hope you have enjoyed the video and you will install the printer using one of my installation method that I have shown in this video. So enjoy the video and thanks for watching. Yes, make sure to subscribe our YouTube channel and do like, share and subscribe if you like our efforts. Thank you. Have a great day.